flapper. I'm going to replace this flapper here in the toilet. And it's right there. And to start, you're going to want to pull this out. This cap screws off. Don't lose it. This comes out of here. A little bit of force. Don't worry, don't bend it too hard. That comes off. Set that to the side. And this washer, the gasket is a flapper. It's in a groove underneath this little lip here. So you just pull it out and then you're going to put the new one in. So I'll pull this off. This washer will keep your toilet running at night. You'll get real annoyed. Out. This washer's kind of tricky to get in there, but you can get it in there. It's just a little lip that goes in. Very simple. If you don't have it in the right lip, in the right groove, you'll know. I'm just going to put this back on. Slide it in like this. Grab the cap. Put the cap back on. This back inside. Voila, that will stop your toilet water from running. And this is for a Mansfield model, 210 and 211, or any one of the mechanisms like this one. No tools needed.